guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm going to share my banana bread recipe with you guys. Everyone tells me it's the best they've ever had. I hope so. But I know it's really good and you guys will absolutely love it. So let's get started. Okay guys, I have some overripe bananas here. Compared to fully ripe bananas, these are sweeter with more intense banana flavor, so they're really good for banana bread. Go ahead and peel your bananas and toss them into a bowl. Then grab a food masher and start mashing your bananas. Once the bananas are completely mashed and they look like this, we're going to add in some eggs. We're also adding some canola oil or vegetable oil, as well as a mixture of white sugar and brown sugar. We're also adding some yogurt to make the bread really moist. I use vanilla yogurt. Then toss in some vanilla extract. Go ahead and mix everything together until very well incorporated, like this. Then we're going to set it aside and mix the dry ingredients. In my bowl, I have some flour, and into that I'm adding baking powder, baking soda. I'm also adding some oatmeal. Make sure you use quick cooking oat, and then we're adding some salt. Go ahead and mix all those together until very well combined, and then we're going to toss it into the wet ingredients. Go ahead and mix everything together until the mixture is just incorporated, making sure you don't overmix, otherwise you end up with a very tough banana bread. I love walnuts in banana bread, so I went ahead and chopped some up. I'm gonna gently fold those in. Then we're going to set this mixture aside and make a delicious cinnamon topping for the banana bread. In this bowl, I have some softened butter. Into that, we're adding sugar, some flour, as well as cinnamon. Mix everything together until the mixture develops nice coarse crumbs, just like this. So I went ahead and sprayed my 9x5 bread pan with nonstick spray. I'm gonna pour half of the batter right into that. Next, sprinkle half of the cinnamon topping we just made all over that, then add the remaining batter. Evenly spread that out and top it with the remaining cinnamon mixture. Then we're going to bake this at 350 Fahrenheit for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. And here it is, fresh out of the oven. Smells so good, my kid won't leave it alone. Before you serve this, make sure you let it sit and cool. That way it's nice and sturdy when you cut through, okay guys? This banana bread is so good. My entire house smells amazing. You can enjoy this with your morning coffee. It's so moist and delicious. If you guys want the ingredients and measurements, check out the description box. I have everything there. So I hope you guys enjoyed spending time with me today. When you try this recipe, send me photos on Instagram and Facebook. I love seeing your creations. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and click the bell to get notified for new videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.